What is up, boys?
What is up, everybody? You guys excited? We're going to be doing a giveaway. I'm giving away $400 to one single person in the form of a REVZILLA gift card. Second place is going to be a $100 gift card. Third, fourth, and fifth place is going to have a bunch of DDFM swag, including the DDFM patch for third place. DDFM patches are coming out next month, and they're going to be limited edition. They're on pre-sale right now, so if you actually want one, you can go ahead and swing by ddfmcrew.com and grab one. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to talk about the giveaway. So how do you enter, you say? If you want to enter, swing on by Patreon and join up. Now, I have 5 different tiers. I have a $2, $5, $10, $20, and a $100 tier. So now if you join up at the $5 tier, you get 5 entries. You join up at the $10 tier, you get 10 entries. $2 tier, 2 entries. You see how that works? That's exactly how it works. But you don't have to join up on Patreon to be entered into the freaking $400 gift card, $100 gift card, all that stuff. You don't have to. You can send me a postcard, a 3x5 postcard. I'm going to have all the information that you need to do right here on the screen. Also, I'll have that information in the first comment of this video. So make sure you click that link and it's going to give you all the information on how to enter. But the best and easiest way is to just sign up on Patreon and boom, boom, boom. There you go. You're done. That way you're also supporting the channel and you're also entering yourself. So the whole point of the gift card versus motorcycle versus paying for this, paying for that, and giving back, and why am I doing giveaways? Well, the reason why I want to do a giveaway is because I want to give back to you guys. I don't need things. I don't need crazy trucks. I don't need any of that. I just want a van, a motorcycle, travel, and meet you guys. That's all I want to do, and that's what Patreon's all about. So the 500 patron goal is still there to travel and everything. And another reason why I wanted to do gift cards is because I know a lot of you out there don't have gear. You might have a motorcycle, you might have a helmet, you might have gloves, but you don't have a jacket, you don't have pants, you don't have boots. Maybe you are not cleaning your chain because you can't afford the chain maintenance kit. So these are all things you can buy off of REVZILLA with my gift card. I want you to be able to get all that stuff. I want you to get the safety gear with this gift card. And if you already have safety gear, like I said, go and get yourself some stuff for maintaining the bike. That will keep you safe too. The easiest and best way to enter is to join Patreon at any tier that you can afford, and you'll be automatically entered into this giveaway. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll be seeing you around on those live streams to discuss why people crash and how we can not crash. All right, see ya.